Hello everyone, this is Joyce Greene, and I'm going to refer to our first web training class. We have enjoyed it, and I'm sorry that you missed it, but I will just give you a summary of the things that we did on the class so you will know. All right, the first day what we did, we all we set up the website by using our first name and the hosting ending of the website, which was cjoycenow.info, and set up everyone having a website. The URL was their first name, like carlisa.cjoycenow.info. After we set that up, then we downloaded WordPress on them. WordPress is a program that allows you to have a lot of themes, and you can pick from them, and you can do a blog without having to set up your own theme. After everyone had their WordPress theme downloaded, they were able to go on to their back office as the administrator and pick which theme they wanted, what color, what look, what it said on it, and they had an enjoyable time looking at the themes. So everyone picked a theme. After they picked the theme, we proceeded in setting up the blog. They were to go on, and where it says just another WordPress blog, they were to think of a sentence that, with all the words in it that a person would look for their web. They had to pick the things that they enjoyed doing, such as, of course, the health and wellness is first, and then they would like to sew, or they may like to have some type of website. One gentleman was talking about he liked the animation, or like I like videos. So you want to put those words in that sentence or so where it says just another WordPress blog, because that is what the search engines will look for. The ones that did not figure out what they wanted to put on that, they put on the setting of the website, do not look for the search engine, so they would not look for it, because the search engines index your website within the first 24 hours. After they put that on there, we proceeded in knowing what was to be on the post. I explained to them what the post was. Oh, by the way, we also fixed the time, the date. You had to change it to New York because it was not the correct date, and the permalink. And the permalink is where whenever you pull up a different page in your blog, it will say the name of that item and not a number. You may realize that a lot of government agencies, you'll pull up their state name, and then you have to put a number behind it. Well, the permalink, you can change it so it can read the name of the item on that page instead. So then we proceeded on the second day of training, which I'm sorry you missed that too. The second day of training is where we practice posting a video on our blog. I told everybody they needed a YouTube site. So if you have a Gmail site, all you have to do is open up your Gmail, and then once you have logged in your password, put in the URL, YouTube, and you already have a YouTube site. You just have to put your profile in it. Once you've done that, then you can take and upload videos. So what we did, we experimented on videos that were already on YouTube. I wanted to show them how you can copy and paste the little snippet on the video and put on your blog, and it would play on your blog. So they would have experience of how to put videos on their blogs once they put them on their own YouTube site. The blog is your house. Remember that from the videos prior to this. And you want to make your house cute and put different things up that you like. You want to talk about the subjects that you like, and you want to put that in that just for another WordPress blog, so people will look for those items that you will have on your blog. Well, that's what we did. On the second class, we practiced how to go to YouTube, find a video, click on share, and then you click on embedded. And you take the check mark off of sharing other videos because you don't want a whole lot of other different videos going on your blog. You would just check off the old embedded code and you would highlight the captured snippet. And you would take that copy and you would go to your back office on your blog and hit post and add a new post, and you would copy it. But when you paste it on there, you would have to hit text when you paste it so it will come up as a video. So you paste it on there, and where the title of the blog is, you want to make sure you title it. Now, of course, the video has its own title, so you could use it, but since this is your blog, you may want to put the title a different way. You may want to say, hey guys, I had a ball looking at this video, and these are the things that I noticed about it. Hey, why don't you check it out? And you can write that in a paragraph form on the top or the bottom of this video. And then you would hit publish. Once you published it, people could view it from the other side, and they could also comment on it. Well, that's what we did on the second day. Also, we are going on the third day, which is coming up. We're going to put capture boxes on our website, so when people come and visit, we know they're there. And then we're also going to write the first page on the campaign, so when somebody do click on your capture box, they will get a letter from you what you want to say to them. This is the beginning process of writing a campaign. Now, they have not really went over, I really haven't went over the sidebar with them. Only thing that I explained to them about the post and the sidebar was that the sidebar stays still. So if you have 4 or 5 or 10 pages in your blog, every time you change a page versus a post, that sidebar will remain the same. So on that sidebar, what we're going to do, we're going to put either, we're going to put the health and wellness videos there, but we're also going to put a video of you, maybe the one that you like a lot, that you want to stay up top. And we will put your capture box and different things on the sidebar so that it will remain in the same place. Because every time you post another article on your post, it will move down. And so the earliest one is always at the top of your page. So that is all we have done so far. And so this coming week, we will be at the Premier Bread again. And I'm so excited because we're having so much fun. This is something that everyone is enjoying. And just sharing and the knowledge of what I've learned over the years with people who I enjoy being with and would like to extend anything to help them. So I have been having a ball right along with them. It is so much fun with watching their faces when they change their themes and put up a post and wait until they put up their own video. Oh, that is going to be so much fun. So you must come and join us. We're going to be meeting at Premier Bread on Thursday at the Security Boulevard and Rolling Road in Baltimore, Maryland. We're going to be meeting there about 7 o'clock this week. So if you're in the area, come around and have some fun. We're just setting up blogs, and no one is actually paying for the hosting but myself because I enjoy doing it, and this is just a fun friend thing. So I have been doing this mainly for the associates that have helped me through this past year, which was the big group. They have extended their kindness out, and I want to extend mine back. So this is Joyce Greene. Thank you, and I will see you on Thursday.